you miss potholes?
Yes.
Save ball joints and whatnot?
Yeah.
They sound so different. It feels so different. I want racing seats like now. Man, this front end's short. Dude, that turbo is loud. Mine's not even close to that. Mine's like... Fuck! That is sick. Oh, I'd be bad in this. No. Definitely not for me. I wouldn't have a license. Smooth though. Yeah. It's smooth. Yeah. It's super smooth. It's not like shuddery or like wham, wham or like rough.
Yeah.
Go past Brock's.
Yeah.
I just went past him and gave him a boost.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm. Is that like a ball bearing or anything? Like your turbo?
Couldn't even tell you.
You got stop tech brakes?
Yeah. They're just stock. Even same with the fucking rotors.
Oh, they come factory?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well if you upgrade your brakes, let me know. I'll put them on mine. Jeez. My brakes are so shitty, man. You can't even hit. Like how you just hit boost and then slow down. No, I'd be in the car. It's ridiculous, man. You like push your foot as hard as you can and it doesn't slow down. These things feel different. Jesus, fuck. Yeah, see that guy's face?
Yeah, that's like 14 pounds of boost.
And you're at like 19?
Yeah.
Holy cow, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I want more boost. Oh, I want a bigger turbo.
Like first doesn't get any traction at all.
I want rear wheel drive. Man, all wheel drive gets boring.
See, it blows off at low RPM.
It does.
It's okay.
And you're not even hitting full boost yet.
No. Yeah. So it does. I'm actually going to tighten it half a turn.
So
because I don't care about the low RPM flutters.
No.
As long as it opens at the high, like I can get the boost and it opens at the high, then that's okay.
Yeah, then it's fine. But if it's opening, I mean, if it's fluttering at like 19 pounds of boost and it's going,
not good. Oh, dude, I had it when I cranked it down those 4. It was like it was like fucking half a psi.
Just sits there.
So bad, yeah, man. For like ever, but the throttle response was crazy, man.
That's because you had the freaking it's so tight, right?
Yeah, like it was just like when I drove it, I was like,
so
holy
solid
shit.
Right away.
Yeah.
Hit.
Yeah.
I know I hate boost leaks, man.
Yeah. Well, I could tell the difference. It was that much. I was like, holy.
This thing is freaking. Like I feel like my feet are in the engine bay right now.
They pretty much are.
Yeah, it's definitely a different. The way it feels is different. See, dude, I should have backed up my car. You could. Oh no, I got the fucking Pro. Well, this thing's like a freaking Mini.
Yeah, I park here every day, man.
Did you find a weird right hand?
No. Not anymore.
How long have you been driving it for?
3 years.
3 years.
Half for summer.
Spilled Coke on my fucking shit.
One day we'll go for a good highway.
Yeah,
where
dude,
you can feel it.
I'm down.
Once I get it working properly. You hear that? Wait. You can definitely. it whistles because it's leaking.
Oh, pop your hood.
You can, now that I have it so tight, you can barely hear it.
That's nice.
So look where he fucking has it too, right? Like it's,
Oh.
so for me to change a spring, I gotta take this elbow completely off. And it's so hard because this heats up, it cools down, and then eventually it just like grabs right on, becomes attached to it.
Yeah, it becomes so hard.
Yeah, so it's freaking huge pain in the ass. But, yeah.
Just show the guys the car. Good part. What's in the back? Oh, that's... Dude. When'd you get this?
Last year. I got it hooked to the intercooler.
Have you used it yet?
Not really.
Don't need to? Holy cow. That is intense, man. That's nuts. Yeah, I can. Thanks for watching, guys.